Well, you may be very interested in changing your diet so you can enjoy better health. You're probably a bit concerned about having to eat food that tastes terrible. However, eating healthy doesn't automatically mean eating food without flavor. Thankfully, there are several ways you can consume healthier alternatives without losing the taste, and it mostly depends on how much creativity you put into your meals. Try following these tips for healthy food preparation options that guarantee great taste. First of all, number 1, abandon the frying pan. Deep fried food can be really tasty, but unfortunately, it's far from healthy. However, you can easily replace the deep frying process with baking or grilling. In fact, you'll end up with juicier meats by baking or grilling properly. Second, use fresh herbs and spices. Instead of using powdered seasons with additives, why not consider substituting those with fresh herbs and spices? They are definitely more natural, which is great, but they also have much more powerful flavors than any store-bought powdered variety you try out. And 3, replace unhealthy sides with tasty salads. As much as you love to indulge in a serving of macaroni and cheese or potato salad, you're doing damage to your body each time you do that. So why not replace them with great salads to which you can add cheeses and dressings and still end up consuming fewer calories than the unhealthy alternatives? 4, replace simple carbs with complex carbs. Simple carbs are simply bad for you. White breads, cakes, and white rice have very little nutritional value. All that processed stuff is what you want to avoid. Instead, try complex carbs like whole grains, legumes, and sweet potatoes. By consulting your trusty recipe books and looking online, you can turn those healthy carbs into explosions of flavor. Number 5, eat lean meats. Hold on there. If you're a meat lover, you can relax. You can still eat meat and do so healthily by ensuring you buy lean cuts. And instead of grilling burgers and hot dogs and Super Bowl Sunday, you can treat your body to a nice, lean, juicy steak. Top that off with some baked potatoes and you'll have a healthy yet delicious meal. 6, marinate meats. To get the most from your healthy meat options like salmon or turkey and lean steak, marinate them for several hours before cooking. I don't know, using something like low-sodium soy sauce to marinate can really give you great results in flavor. Or try marinating your chicken breast for a day with just that store-bought Italian dressing if you want, before grilling or sautéing it. Just cook a chicken breast for about 6 minutes on each side, and you will have simply amazing chicken meat that will be so juicy, and it's bound to become a family favorite. 7, make your own sauces. Sauces and dressings don't have to be scratched off of your healthy foods list entirely, but the store-bought ones do. Replace those with homemade dressings and sauces that allow you to control which ingredients you put in them. Getting healthy, juicy barbecue chicken, for example, is very possible when you do your own sauces. Have fun with it, experiment, become a kitchen sauce creator, and discover how much fun and how tasty it can be. Number 8, substitute fruit juices with real fruit. There's that sweetness about fruit juices that makes them appealing to kids and adults alike. However, you should avoid the excess sugars found in them at all costs. Instead, have some whole fruit that can be just as enjoyable, but much better for your body. Following these tips will help you let go of the mindset that deep-fried or sugar-infused foods are the only ones that are pleasing to the palate. Healthy options definitely exist if you're interested in treating your body right. All of your meals can be tasty and healthy at the same time. You just can't beat having food with good flavor and great health properties. I mean, that's just the perfect combination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and health ideas.